Okay, so today we are going to talk about food waste. So food waste is a big issue in Singapore. Last year we have wasted 700,000 tons, and only 12% has been recycled. So what we don't see is like food waste is incinerated and generate air pollution, and also is turned into ashes that are then disposed to the landfill. So Singapore is small, so sooner or later we will have an issue with the landfill. And so what is happening in Singapore is we can actually transform the food waste into water. This technology is already used in the hotels and supermarkets to transform the food waste into water. So basically how it works is we have specific microbes that will just digest the solid into a sludge. And this sludge is later on disposed into water. So what we want to do is to bring this technology to the residents for free and bring the garden at the same time. We want to make use of the water that is out of the machine and connect it to the garden. So if we manage to do this, we still need the people to use the machine, so we need to stimulate the residents to recycle. So what we are planning to do is we have a website with some sort of sponsorship, or we have tried to make it very interesting for the residents to get rewarded every time they recycle. So maybe we can just show you the website quickly. So yeah, this is what we are thinking of. So sort, back, dispose, redeem, so then we can show basically how it works. So later on the bottom, you can convert your points into partner with our partners like soap, towels, or anything that would be useful for you. So what we have been working on this hackathon is to build a very user-friendly interface that will be on the machine. So now Mike and Shimin will explain to you what it is all about.
It's okay, you carry on.
Okay. Alright. Thank you, Niko. For this prototype right here, it will be actually mounted on top of a processing machine, in which this machine will allow users to actually load their food waste inside it. And it works by, firstly, the users will click on the start to enter the systems. And the system will notify the users to load the waste. And lastly, lock the door after the user is done. The system will then weigh the waste and transfer the waste into the processing compartment. This waste will be measured and converted into points. For example, right now it will be 100 grams. After which you just scan the QR code which is produced, and it will be uploaded into your points, updated into your point sections, which will appear on the website.
So basically we just upload and each should be working. So you will see the number of points that you have collected. So yeah, the more points you get, then the more you can purchase on your line.
Yeah. So users can actually use these points and redeem discounts through either the systems, which is this system, or through the Niko website. Thank you.
Yeah,